Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm gonna show you that how you can fix your issue. Issue is that your Telegram verification not coming. So how you can fix that, and also fix the SMS and calls. So many users facing issue. So in this video, I'm gonna show you that how you can resolve that. So I'm gonna tell you that in my region, Telegram is banned. So I'm gonna use the VPN to use the Telegram. And in my region, many users facing issue that their telegram is not signing their numbers and not getting the code because they cannot connect with any VPN, and they don't getting any message from the telegram and also not getting them SMS for the verification of the telegram. So simply just go to the settings of the iPhone and you have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection, and also make sure that you're just using the British version of your iOS in your iPhone, maybe your iPad. And after that, simply just go to the transfer or reset iPhone and just tap on that and just tap on reset or the reset the network settings from here. After that, simply just go back, again back, and simply just go to the VPN of any app you cannot download from the App Store, and just like that VPN from the App Store and my section in my region, also in my region, and just update the VPN from here. I have a VPN, so I'm gonna update the VPN. After updating the VPN, I'm gonna go to the my VPN section. I'm gonna search a VPN. I'm gonna connect the VPN. If you don't find, simply just go to that. I'm gonna connect with the VPN and simply just go to the Telegram app, and you're just using the Telegram app without getting any problem. And in your section where your VPN is not banned, so you have to just remove the app of Telegram from your iPhone and again download the app from the App Store and again sign in, and you're not getting any problem. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more tech related videos.